Making your house fire-resistant is essential for safeguarding your home and loved ones. Electrical fires are a common threat, often resulting from faulty wiring, overloaded circuits, or malfunctioning appliances. By focusing on prevention, homeowners can address potential hazards before they escalate. Early detection systems, such as smoke alarms and smart sensors, play a crucial role in identifying risks promptly. Effective suppression measures, including fire extinguishers and sprinkler systems, further enhance your home's resilience against electrical fire incidents. Enhancing electrical safety in your home begins with a thorough professional inspection, which helps identify outdated components and potential hazards. Upgrading circuit breakers and outlets ensures that your electrical system can handle modern demands and respond effectively to faults. Modernizing wiring is a crucial step in reducing the risk of electrical fires, as older wires may not meet current safety standards. These core upgrades not only protect your property, but also provide peace of mind, knowing that your electrical system is reliable and secure. Practicing daily electrical safety habits is essential to prevent accidents and fires. Proper outlet and cord management includes avoiding overloaded sockets and ensuring cords are not frayed or pinched. When using appliances, always follow manufacturer guidelines and unplug devices when not in use. Taking precautions with lighting, such as using bulbs with the correct wattage and keeping fixtures away from flammable materials, further reduces risk. These simple steps can help create a safer environment at home or work. Early warning systems, such as smoke alarms, play a crucial role in detecting electrical fires at their initial stages. These devices alert occupants quickly, allowing for timely evacuation and response. Fire suppression tools, including extinguishers and sprinkler systems, are essential for containing and controlling fires before they spread. Having these tools readily accessible can significantly reduce property damage and save lives. Together, early detection and rapid suppression form a vital defense against the dangers posed by electrical fires. Each room in your home presents distinct electrical fire risks, requiring tailored safety measures. In the kitchen, overloaded outlets and faulty appliances are common hazards, so regularly inspect cords and avoid running multiple high-wattage devices on the same circuit. Laundry rooms often feature dryers, which can accumulate lint near electrical components. Ensure vents are clear and machines are properly grounded. Garages may house power tools and extension cords, increasing the risk of frayed wires and improper storage. To prevent fires, keep flammable materials away from outlets and check for damaged cords frequently. By understanding the unique challenges of each space, you can implement effective strategies to minimize electrical fire risks throughout your home. Seasonal and routine maintenance checks play a crucial role in ensuring electrical safety within any environment. Regular testing of alarms, such as smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, helps to confirm that these devices are functioning properly and can provide early warnings in case of emergencies. Professional inspections by certified electricians can identify potential hazards, such as faulty wiring or overloaded circuits, before they become serious issues. Additionally, cleaning vents and filters reduces the risk of overheating and improves air quality, further contributing to a safer and healthier space. Consistent attention to these tasks helps prevent accidents and extends the lifespan of electrical systems. Being prepared for emergencies is essential for keeping your family safe. Start by creating a fire escape plan that clearly outlines the quickest routes out of your home. Make sure all exits, such as doors and windows, are easily accessible and free from obstructions. Practice your escape plan regularly so that everyone knows what to do in case of a fire. Finally, choose a safe meeting spot outside your home where your family can gather after evacuating. In summary, it's important to recognize that no home can be made entirely fireproof. However, by adopting a thorough approach to electrical safety, you can significantly lower the chances of a fire occurring. Regular maintenance, awareness of potential hazards, and responsible use of electrical devices all contribute to a safer living environment. These proactive measures not only protect your property, but also help ensure the well-being of everyone in your household.